deep pit. Let's draw a snail. First, draw a smile. Deep black. Nicely done. Draw the snail's tentacles. Now, draw the snail's body. Now, draw a shell for your snail. A long swirl. You have made a marvelous snail. Wow! How neatly your snail crawls!